Hey guys, Phil again with Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube. We have another vehicle spotlight for you. 2016, I almost said Chevrolet. This is a GMC Sierra 1500, sitting on some 35's and 20x10s. Let's go.
So big in the windows black, got the knob all lit up, double chromed out stacks. Yeah, we love to get them dirty, but still they so clean. Custom Offsets team stands as the genie on top of it now. We ain't never gonna fade, so you better get ready for taking over the game. You can come on, I can count on. What I do. You can come on, I can count on.
All right guys, so like I said, 2016 GMC Sierra 1500. Now you're probably going, no, that's a 2500. He just has the 2500 hood. We'll get to that in a little bit. First off, Fitment, wheels, tires, suspension. So this has a 6-inch BDS coilover system in it. So if you pop on in here, come on flashlight, cooperate with me. You can see the complete coilover there with the Fox shocks. Fox coilover, I should say. So for wheels and tires on this one, this is the Havok H103 20x10 -24. So first thing we'll show you is it's got kind of a different style. So it's got these bump outs along the rim of the wheel, and then there's no back edge to this, so it goes really deep back. So it's a concave wheel and a lip wheel. And you can see, you can actually get that whole bill in if you go all the way to the back edge. So you're almost at 6 inches of lip there. If you come out to where the spoke sits, I'll go on top of it here for you, you're still getting, you know, nearly 5 inches of lip on a 10 wide, which is pretty crazy. So if you want a big lip wheel, this is definitely one to check out. For tires, we got the good old classic BFGs on here. This is a 325/60. So what that equates out to is about 35.4 tall by 12.8 wide. So you can see you do get a little protection with the sidewall bulging out here. Now, trimming wise, this is pretty aggressive. So the customer did the trimming himself before he brought it here. So you can see the bottom of the bumper is cut. The valance is completely removed. And then in the back, this is completely NorCal. So if you don't know what a NorCal is, we have a couple videos on it, but all of this material here, you pull out the fender liner, pull out the plastic, smash everything back with a hammer, beat the crap out of it, do a whole bunch of cutting, and then bundle it all back up, throw some screws in there, hold it back, and then you should be able to get away with no rubbing there. But like I said, pretty involved process. So if you're looking to minimize trimming, this is gonna be kind of an aggressive look for you there. As far as the rest of the truck goes, we'll kind of show you some things. It's got color matched tow mirrors on here. The tint is matched, it's about 20%. Factory steps. Obviously fitment wise in the back, no problems. Does have the Fox shocks back here as well. Rounding out the back of the truck, just a really clean look. He pulled off all the badges, so it's just plain black. I really like the way this truck looks, all murdered out. Walk you up front. Take a peek at the interior on our way up. So this is just like the, I think it's the SLT package is what they call it. So you get wood grain trim, leather, no sunroof in this one. That's something I would definitely add. So additionally in the rear, he does have the tonneau cover. And then if we open this up, he also has the bed slide in here. So this is pretty cool. So that comes out, makes the loading car go pretty easy, and slides right back in. And then taking you up to the front of the truck, we'll give you a peek inside here. So he does have a K&N cold air intake. So that helps the truck breathe a little bit, as well as the, he's got a Gibson catback exhaust on here too, so we'll give you a sound clip of that. Otherwise, on the front, he does also have some custom paint work. So the grille surround and the grille itself is painted. Bumper is painted to match, and then you got the GMC emblem done in gray. It's got the awesome GMC LED headlights on here, and like I said, the 2500 HD hood. So that about wraps it up. That's your 2016 GMC Sierra 1500 on some 20x10s and basically 35s. Make sure you like us on Facebook, subscribe on YouTube. Peace.